A slab leak under a house can be caused by various factors. Here are some common reasons for slab leaks. 1. Poor construction. If the house was built with substandard materials or workmanship, it can lead to problems such as inferior plumbing systems or inadequate foundation preparation, which can result in slab leaks over time. 2. Shifting soil. Soil movement due to geological factors, such as expansive clay soil or seismic activity, can cause the foundation to shift and put pressure on the pipes running beneath the slab. Over time, this pressure can lead to leaks. 3. Corrosion. Pipes made of metal, such as copper or galvanized steel, are susceptible to corrosion over time. Corrosion weakens the pipes, making them more prone to leaks. Factors such as water chemistry, soil acidity, or improper installation can accelerate the corrosion process. 4. Abrasion and wear. The movement of pipes due to temperature changes or shifting of the foundation can cause pipes to rub against the rough edges of the slab or other pipes. Over time, this friction can wear down the pipes and create leaks. 5. High water pressure. Excessively high water pressure can put strain on the plumbing system, including the pipes running under the slab. Constant high pressure can weaken the pipes and eventually cause leaks. 6. Tree roots. Tree roots are attracted to sources of moisture, including water pipes. Over time, tree roots can grow towards the pipes beneath the slab and exert pressure on them, leading to cracks and leaks. 7. Aging infrastructure. As a house and its plumbing system age, the materials used in construction can deteriorate. Over time, pipes may become brittle, develop weak points, or corrode, increasing the likelihood of leaks. 8. Settling of the foundation. Over time, the soil beneath a house can settle unevenly, causing the foundation to shift or crack. This movement can put stress on the pipes, leading to leaks. It's important to note that slab leaks can occur due to a combination of these factors, and the exact cause may vary from one situation to another. If you suspect a slab leak, please feel free to call us at 214-556-6600. We specialize in all slab leak location and repairs.